Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I want to talk to you about our RBNC-12 BNC Connector Tool. This tool is a perfect tool for installing and removing BNC connectorized cables in high density locations. The tool features the following. It is 12 inches long with an 8-inch long shaft and socket. Both the shaft and socket are made of steel for long life and durability. The handle is ergonomically designed and made of a dual component material of polypropylene and TPR rubber for maximum comfort.